one article to 451 sites. It's just not feasible. You're not going to be able to do it. And I will come back to this page in a moment and show you the different settings and how to set up your logins. The next tab is the mail list. You've got 54 mail lists that you can use. I'm not using this right now, so I'm not going to include this on this video. Article options, this is where you can select your category, your keywords and your title and your summary. I'll come back to that. Article content, okay, this is where you can post in your article content. Author options, this is where you will submit your bio or random bios. Email template, I'm not using that, so I'm not going to show that on this video. Other options, this has got some extra settings in it. This is the pause time for submitting sites between posts to different article sites. There's 10 seconds there. Down here, the post configurations, we're only going to post to the selected article sites. Okay, you need to remember back in the article sites that it's only going to submit articles to the checked directories, and you can set it to post manually or you can set it to post automatically. And as you can see, I got mine posted there automatically. You can just leave this run. Then when you've completed all the other options, the title, summary, bio, etc., and the content, you just click on Start Post Robot. Let's go back to the article sites tab, and we can arrange these in any order we want, either by page rank or these sites or by index. And as you can see, these are the ones I've already done so far. I haven't done them all. And the first thing you need to do is go and set up your account at each of these article directories, and I'm going to order these by page rank. As you'll see, I'm going through and setting these up in order of page rank, starting with page rank 6, and I'm down to page rank 2. And if we just right click on here, this will give you a number of different options, and we want to visit selected article site, which will open up in your browser. And what you basically need to do then is just go through and set up your account here. Most of them will ask you to confirm your account via email address, but it's very important that you go to the next step and sign in via your Firefox or Internet Explorer browser and set up a pen name. Most of these article directory sites are requiring a pen name, which is not done automatically when you set it up just by confirming your email address. So remember, once you've confirmed your email address, after setting up your account, you need to log in for the first time and set up a pen name. It's worthwhile actually going to submit your first article manually. Just go through the process and see what information it does ask for, and if it asks for a pen name, then just fill that out and then you know it's done. And then once you've finished at the article directory site, you need to come back to Article Post Robot and right click on that article directory site here, and then select change login information, and then just fill in your username and your password and click OK. Okay, the next tab is the article options screen, and this is where you'll put in your category, your keywords and your article summary, as well as your title, and if the article site requires a subtitle. I'll go through these in a little more detail in a moment, but going back to the categories, Article Post Robot gives you a choice of 5 categories which you can choose. There's a drop down box here and you can choose the ones which are most relevant to your article content. But what it's going to do is going to submit the article content to either one of these 5 categories. Okay, fitness, health, sport, and weight loss is going to be the theme of the article that I'm going to be submitting next. And if Article Post Robot can't find the fitness category, it will then select the health, sport, or weight loss categories, okay, and submit to one of those categories. Now, Article Post Robot gives you a lot of different options for submitting your summary and your title. You can either use the same summary and the same title on every article to every article site, which is not really recommended because that is going to be seen as spamming, and different article sites like to see a lot of variation in the content. Which is what I'll show you in a moment by using these 2 boxes here. Okay, the first box is the article title, and the second box you can see down here is the article summary. And what you need to do is just check these, and then right click on here, and then you won't do it just now, but you want to select add multiple article titles files to list. But the first thing you want to do is go through on your desktop, set up a new folder with your bio, your content, your summaries, and your titles. Okay, and I've just put those, you can see, in another folder called article robot files, and if I just open up one of these for you, you will see summaries. You'll see that I've got two different files there for two different articles that I'm going to post. And if I just click on this one and show you that I've got, at the moment, I've got 4 different summaries which I'm going to choose that Article Post Robot will then submit at random, which is a great option that Article Post Robot does. It allows you to submit a lot of variations and combinations of variations between your titles, your summaries, your content, and your bio box. So first we'll do the article titles. Right click anywhere in the box and we will select add multiple article title files to list, and we will go to my file and titles and then OK. And what it does, as you can see, I've got 6 different article titles which I'm using along with those 4, I think it was, summaries. And it'll choose a random. Well, if I import the summary files as well, let me just bring these in for you. Add multiple article summary files, summaries, and just select OK. And what's done is brought in those 4, and we will just check all those. We're going to be using all these. And then what Article Post Robot is going to do is going to select one of these titles at random. It's going to choose one of the article summaries at random, and then it will choose the content. Again, you can either use the same article or preferably use different articles. What Article Robot does automatically is bring in, as you can see, the first article summary, and this is going to be, I know these are the first ones, the first article title, and it put those in the summary boxes and in the title boxes here. And the next tab is the article content tab, and this gives you, again, it gives you a couple of different options. You can either paste in your article down here, or you can choose, as I've done here, post random articles. Okay, and what you need to do then is just click on folder, and we will choose our content, choose the file, select OK. Then the next tab is the author options screen, which is going to give you your your resource box options. Again, use random checked author option, just check that. Right click anywhere in the box there and add multiple author bio files. And again, we'll go to bio and we will check OK. And again, we will just check all of these. Put in your name, your location, put in your website there as well, and as you say, just a junk email address. And again, automatically it's chosen the first summary box or resource box from my list. Then finally we go to the other options page, and we will leave these as standard, 10 seconds between submissions, post to selected article sites only. And another great thing of Article Post Robot, it will check if there's a virus present on the article site which is posting to, which can come back to your computer, which is a great feature here. And then finally, once you're ready, once you've gone through and double checked everything, it's time to start Post Robot.